Hello friends, welcome to my channel Genius Kids. So today I will start with the number system, chapter number system, and this is a part 1. We will get two videos from the number system and then some practice test, and we will discuss about the solutions in the coming videos. Okay, so let's previously go for the question sums. Let's discuss some important points which need to be remembered, and that points, if you remember that points, it is very helpful for you to answer this question in the Olympiads. When you get the question from the Olympiad, from this chapter, you can easily answer that questions. So let's start. First is the type of numbers, and what I discussed today is all are these are part of your syllabus. Okay, so first one is the natural number. So natural numbers are the all positive numbers that starts from 1 to infinity and used to count objects. So the natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinite. Okay, so all are these numbers from 1 to infinite, that is are the natural numbers. Please note, natural numbers is not start from the 0, because we are not use 0 to count any object. Okay, next one is a whole number. Whole numbers are the real numbers that do not contain any fractions, decimals or negative values, starts from 0 to infinity. So what do you mean by these fractions? Fraction means it will be maybe 1 by 2 or 3 by 4, anything. Decimals means it may be 2.5, 6.9. So anything is that the decimals, and negative means -2, -6, anything. So all these the numbers which are only the real numbers and do not contain these fractions, decimals and negative values, and it starts from 0 to infinity, that's are called the whole numbers. So whole numbers, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinite. So please note, whole number it will start from the 0, whereas the natural number it starts from the 1. Okay, so and it is an important note, please remember this important note, that smallest whole number is 0, whereas the smallest natural number is 1. We've already found that it will start from 1, so the smallest natural number is 1, and the whole number it will start from 0, so the smallest whole number is 0. Okay, please remember this, because you maybe get some questions like that, what is the smallest whole number, and you get 4 options, so you need to select a 0. Okay, okay. Now for the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the natural numbers that are divisible by 1 and the number itself. So prime number is, if you see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. If you see the numbers, if you see that 3, 2, 5, these numbers is divisible by 1 and that particular number. There is no other numbers that you can that can use to divide these prime numbers. Okay. What is the twin prime numbers? Two prime numbers with difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. Each twin prime numbers, there is a composite number in it. So what is composite number? I will come about it. What is the composite number? But just here, from here, you just know, just remember that there is a difference of between two prime numbers and there is a composite number in it. So the twin number example is 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. So in 3 and 5, the composite number is 4. 5 and 7, it will be 6, 11, 13, it will be 12, and the difference between 11 and 13, it will be 2. 5, 7, it will be 2. 3, 5, it is 2. So this is the twin prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, what are the co-prime numbers? If two numbers have only one as a common factor, they are called as a co-primes. What is mean by there is only one common factor? if you see the example 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 8, here if you see that there is only one common factor, means that 2 and 3 both are divisible by only 1. Okay. Similarly 4 and 5, if you see the only 4 and 5, there is only 1 as a common factor, because these two numbers can be divided by both the numbers is divided by 1 only. Similarly as a 3 and 8 also. So these type of numbers are called the co-prime numbers. This is very important. Twin number, co-prime numbers, sometimes you will get questions about this. What if you get some pair of numbers and they need to know what is it the twin prime numbers or the co-prime numbers or not. Okay, so let's go for the next part. Type of numbers. Now this is the composite number. So what is the composite number? Composite numbers are positive integers that have more than two factors, one and the number itself. For now, just remember these integers are the any numbers, and these are the positive numbers. So if you see, this is a positive number that have more than two factors, one and the number itself. So what is the composite number? It is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. Why it is so? So it is more than two factors. In case of the prime number, we see that in prime number we have two factors, that that number is divisible by 1 and that particular number also. But if you see in these positive numbers, if you see the positive numbers 4, it is divisible by 1, 2 and the 4. If you see the 6, it is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So sorry there are more than two factors in this particular number. So these are called the composite. These are called the composite number. Okay. If you will get a question from the composite number in the exam. Okay. Please remember these things: primary number, composite number. I will show the questions in the examples. So don't worry. Just remember what are the composite numbers. Just remember these things. And for the remember important notes. This is very 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 important. These are the very very important part. What are the things important? Smallest prime number is 2, whereas the smallest composite number is 4. If you see our prime number, it will start from 2, 3, 5. So the smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest composite number is 4. Second part, second one, important 3, very very important. The only even prime number is 2. Only even prime number is 2. See, 2 is an even number and also the prime number and also the smallest even prime number. It is also, if you see that, it will be the 2 is the smallest even prime number. Okay. Note 4, important note 4, the number which is neither prime nor even is 1. It is not prime nor even. Okay. Why it is not prime? Because if for prime it will be what is the formula, what is the rule? The rule is that the number should be divisible by the 1 and the other number. So 1, it is only the 1, it will be divisible by 1 only. So it is not a prime and also it is not an even number. Okay. The smallest odd prime number is 3. Even prime number, only even prime number to smallest prime number is even 2, and that is the even prime number, and the smallest odd prime number, that is 3. Okay. All prime numbers have only two factors. You know all that all prime numbers you have only two factors. Okay. These 5 points very very important. Now the even numbers. What are the even numbers? The number that is divisible by 2 and generate a remainder of 0 is called an even number. So if you 2, 4, 6, 8, if you see, if you divisible by 2, you get the remainder is 0. What is the odd number? A number that is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. So it is 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 11. That is not divisible by 2. It is a odd number. What is the smallest number, smallest odd composite number? The smallest odd composite number is 9. See, composite number is start from 4, 6, 8, 9. So 9 is then odd number. It is because, why? Because it is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 2, but it is a composite number. But it is a composite number because it has more than 3 factors, more than, sorry, 2 factors. Why? Because 9 is divisible by 1, 3 and the 9. Okay, so the smallest odd composite number is 9. It is very, very important, these things in the exams, in the Olympiad exams. Not only the Olympiad exams, in your school exam also you get different this type of questions in your exams. Okay, now let's go for the some type of numbers, some example questions. First one, prime number has only dash factors. We know it. Yes, the prime number has only how many factors? 2 factors. Answer is 2 factors. What type of number formed by adding first 3 prime numbers? What are our first 3 prime numbers? First 3 prime number is 2, 3 and 5. So what is the question? What type of number formed by adding? So we need to add these 3 numbers. So we add 2 plus 3, it is 5. 5 plus 5, it is, what is? 10. So 10 is an, what is number? It is an composite number. If you see here, if you see, there is also a composite and it is also an even. Okay. So in if you case, both are the correct, but the more correct is the composite one. Okay. Okay. Next question. Number formed by multiplying by first 3 prime number is. So you already know the first 3 prime number is 2, 3, 5. And what is the multiplying it? 2 into 3, it is 6. 2 into 3, it is 6. And this is your answer. What is the answer? Before is 2 plus 3 plus 5. Now 2 into 3 plus in 5. So 6 into 5, that is your 30. So answer is 30. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is an odd number less than 29, greater than 19? Please read the question very carefully. Which among the following is an odd number that is less than 29, greater than 19? So here, if you see 24, it is greater than 19, but less than 29, but it is not an odd number, it is an even number. 25, it is an odd number, but it is an composite number. It is not. 17, it is less than 19, so it will be not. And that is the answer is the 23. So when this type of question you got that odd number, you need to check it is odd and composite or not. When the question will ask as an odd number, it will be a pure odd number. Okay, it should not be a odd plus composite. A number, if the number which will be, maybe it is odd, 25 it is odd number, but it will be composite also. So we are not taking 25. If any number, pure odd number if you got, which is not divided by 2 and is not composite, you will select this. But in any case, 23 will be not there, then 25 will be your answer. So your first choice is pure 23. Pure, that is odd number, that is not a composite number. It will if you see, and mainly if you see, this is also a prime number also. Okay. So this type of number, if you see, when you get this type of question, and if there is a actually they are giving a create a confusion among you 25 and 23, the most correct answer is 23, not 25. Okay. Yes, 23 and 25 both are the correct here, but 25 is an composite also. So you are not going to select the composite number, it will select the pure, that is the 23. Okay. Hope you understand. Go for the next question. Which of the following is a pair of co-prime number? Uh, so which is C? It is a co-prime number. This one, this one, 1419, 19133. Which of these co-prime number? So what we got from the co-prime number? What is our rule? Co-prime number is that they have only one factor. In co-prime number, there is only one factor. So if you see this number, if you see 113 and 127, so if you see 113 and 127, these two number, uh, this is this number, it is not, anyone is not divisible by anything. 1456, this is divisible by 2, this is more than 2 factor. 14 119, it is divisible, 14 divisible by 7, 119 divisible by 7. 19 133, 19 is divisible by 19, and 19 is divisible, 133 is divisible by 19 also. So the co-prime number is where the only one factor is there, that is the 113 127. Okay. Next one, if area of a circle C1 is a full of natural numbers, which one of the following can be correct about the area of the circle C2? Circle C2 is a full of prime numbers. Circle C2 is full of composite numbers. Circle C2 is full of even numbers, all of these. So what is say that area of the circle C1, circle C1 has a area of circle C1, it is full of natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? It will start from 1, 2, 3 to infinity. So in this series, there are all type of numbers. So circle to full of prime numbers, it is full of prime numbers. No. It is full of composite numbers. Yes. Full of even numbers. Yes. What is our prime number? Prime number, if you see if you see from the prime number, what is the prime number? Prime number starts from 2. So here C2 is a full of prime numbers? No. Yes. C2 is a full of prime numbers because it starts from 1 to 2, so it is also prime numbers. So what is the answer? It is the answer of the all of these. Okay. Next question. The smallest 3-digit number which is even and is a multiple of 3. Smallest 3-digit number which is smallest 3-digit number which is even and multiple of 3. What is the number? So what is our smallest 3-digit number? Our smallest 3-digit number is 100. Is it? It is even? Yes, it is even. Is it it is a multiple of 3? Multiple of 3 means, is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3? No, 100 is not a divisible by 3. So this, so we cannot take this number. Next number is 101. 101 is an even number? No. So this is not the 101. Then we take the 102. So 102, is this a even number? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is 3 4. So it is a multiple of 4. If you multiple 3 into 34, we will get the 102, and this is the smallest even number, smallest 3-digit even number. So answer is 102. Okay. Next is find the number of composite numbers in the given box. What are the composite numbers are here in this given box? So please calculate. What is the calculation? What are the numbers? 20, okay, 15, 9, 38, 14, 39, 56, 81, 63, 12, 2. 2 is a prime composite number? No, 2 is not a composite number. They will purposefully give this number 2 so that you can consider it wrongly. So what is 30, 22, 77? So these are the composite number here. So what is the count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is the answer? Answer is here 13. Okay. Go for the next question. A natural number is greater than 39, less than 45. The number is not a composite number. The number is, so what are the numbers between 39 and 45? It is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So what is what? So we can write these 5 numbers. Now the number is not a composite number. So in this field, what are the composite numbers? 40, 42, 44. Okay. So we can eliminate these 3. So what are the 2 numbers is there? 41 and 43. Now is there what is the options there? If you see in option, you get only the 43. So the answer is 43. Okay, understand? Now the last question. Which of the following number is an even prime number? So you already know the even prime number. I already told you the even prime number is 2. Okay. So hope you like this video. I will come with another part of the number system, because there are other things which are actually pending. So if you like my video, like this thing, please press like button and please subscribe my channel. You will get more videos for the preparation of the Olympiad. Okay. So now for bye for today. Thank you.